Okay, now that you know what the software is all about, it's time to start capturing the data that you will need to. So first of all, you will need to collect this data from the casino as mentioned earlier in the previous video. If you don't collect it yourself, you might be using one of the people that we have collecting this data. Otherwise, you will need to collect them yourself. But to do this, you will need to go to Capture in your software. You will see this Add Casino, Add Machine Type, and Add Domination. So you'll first add the casino where you will be playing. For the demonstration here, I'll just add AAA Casino and add that to the list. You will note it will add that to your list, and you can also then delete this. Now, if your software is just installed, there will be no casinos in this list unless I helped you with the installation maybe, or some of our people helped you, and then we might have helped you copy or get this list into your system. You can also remove a casino by just selecting delete. So that's your first step that you'll need to do, is adding the casino. Next, you will need to add the machine type. So you'll be adding all these different type of slot machines. You will note all of them as you play. You can add them, or you can just add a whole bunch that you know of from the very start. In this one, I've just added some extra ones, duplicates, so you can see just added them, and you can also delete them. And that's how you add and delete machine types. Next, you will add a list of the dominations. You would not put your currency in front, like you will not put rand, 1 rand. You will not put 1 rand, but instead you'll put 1 rand or $1 or whatever. You will just put the domination. Once again, when you add the domination, you can just delete the extra one, with the ones you don't want. So now that you've added the 3 main components needed to capture a slot machine, how do you actually capture or create a file for a slot machine? To do this, you go to Capture, Add Data, and then New Machine. You will give it the slot machine number as per casino. So you will go to the casino as you capture it or get the information from the casino's computer. That's the machine number you will use there. The dominations you've added earlier will then appear in this list, and then you can just select them. If you select a casino and there's no casino at that stage with like that, you will be prompted to actually create this casino, in which case you'll just say yes, and then you will type or select the casino or machine type. Now, the cup current is used when capturing or playing online slots, that you can actually capture the specific time as you play, that you don't need to type it in. But since you go to a casino, you will actually you will write down the data, and then you will put or capture the data accordingly. So let's say your data as per casino was on the 1st of May, and the payment was 11:15, and the units was 1500. You can put notes in if you like, this can be useful if you were to say, you could say there, I noticed the machine going into a paying cycle from a trip bar last payment, and then that's why I played it. Or if you've just got it from the computer, you don't need to put notes in. You will then add the payment. You can continue capturing until you captured all your payments. Once that's done, you just save. It will be prompted and you will say yes. So now this machine is captured. Should you wish to add more data in the future to the slot machine, you have to open the slot machine first. So we go to this machine we've created just now, and you will note there is the data that we just created. Then to add new data to this, you will be required to go to capture, add data, and then to current machine. You will note now you don't need to put in the information required by the slot machine or of the slot machine because it's already in the system. Right on top here you will note the machine number, the domination, the type of machine, and the casino. You will not use screen capture because that is used for the online casinos, and also it's a feature or upgradable feature that you can upgrade to should it not be available to you. So once again you could then just select on the data as you were, and then also the units. Now you will note there's import and save, and there's subscribers only condition. Some of these features might not be available to you. You can upgrade to features as you need them. You don't necessarily need to upgrade to all of them at once. Duplicates, basically just to ensure that there's no duplicates, you can just click that and make sure that there's no duplicates. Generally it does check that there's no duplicates. Then there's delete. You can delete the selected one, so we just need to capture that again. And then add payment. Once that's done, you can just go ahead and save it. Now once you've saved it, you will note that new payment does not appear in the data, but to get that or display that, you can just refresh. That's it for now about the capturing. Regarding capturing, remember to play safe and to play with knowledge. Good luck.